Visualizing spike sorting results.
In the previous spike sorting video, we discovered how to perform a spike sorting analysis. We're now going to examine how to visualize our data. Going to the raster plot, we see that there have been two different units identified on the selected channel. As we have the selected units displayed, we can also choose to use the unit colors, each color representing the different unit that we have seen on the right traces window. To see our results in more detail, we can open the spike sorting tab. Here in the top right, we can see the extracted waveform superimposed, with the red dotted lines representing the actual waveform interval used to perform the sorting. On the left, we have a representation of the spikes, a spike represented by each dot. The spikes have been arranged according to the preselected features that we define in our spike sorting settings. Below on the right, we can see the different units that the spikes have been sorted into. Now, if we check out another channel, we might not consider the unit separation ideal. As we can see by the represented waveform and Unit 1 and Unit 2's waveform shapes, these units are actually part of one unit. By going to the Merge or Delete Unit Spikes window and clicking on both of the units, we can then merge the selected units. Going to another channel that we might consider made up of only noise, we can decide to discard the channel by going to the Merge or Delete Unit Spikes window and clicking on the unit, then Delete Selected Units. Clicking Yes will tell the program to consider this unit as noise.